guys, and welcome to our channel. We are the Just Gotta Knows, and I'm Stephanie, and today I am doing this video on Poshmark. So I know I've been doing a lot of little Poshmark hauls, but makeup. So today I'm coming because I went shopping for myself, for clothes. And so if you're new to Poshmark, Poshmark is a platform where you can resell your stuff. It has a bunch of stuff that you can purchase that's could be new, it could be used, but I'm gonna just jump in and show you what I got. I got three different hauls, three different bundles, and I'm just gonna kind of show you what I got. The first bundle was a small little bundle because I really liked these shorts. It's like a skirt, and it's like suede-y, but like I wanted these so I can wear with like my knee-high boots because I'm all about like those knee-high boots. These are from the brand Blue Blush. The girl listed it as a small. In her closet she had like a bunch of stuff, but I kind of liked these J. Crew shorts. They're J. Crew and they're size 2. And then I got them in green, also a size 2. Okay, so that was that bundle. I got 3 items from her, and I mean, her items were just as they were described. Okay, so the second bundle was from a seller that I have already bought something from. So I went in because I really liked this Hollister dress. It was a size extra small. This just looks cute, like with your hair up. Show the shoulders, right? New tags, really cute. They're new. They don't have a price tag though, but it has this, and you can tell they have not been used. They're LC Lauren Conrad size 2. If these, I sometimes can manage to squeeze my butt into like some, like Wit and Wisdom size 2. Other than that, I'm usually a size 4, just if there's no stretch, a 6. But these aren't gonna stretch. These are probably like a true 2. So I'm gonna list these, but they're so adorable. I wish I was this size. So cute. Next thing I got were these little shorts. Okay, so these shorts are from H&M. They are a size 4. They're very stretched, very comfortable. I like these for me. Also in that haul, I got this shirt, a size small from Monto. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's just a very simple shirt that I liked because I can wear it with like white shorts. So this is the shirt. It has some cute little details here. So the next and last thing that I got while I was in her closet was this e.l.f. poreless primer, and it's new. It hasn't been like used. I've never tried this, but while it was there I was like, might as well just throw it in my little basket. So I don't know if it was because I bundled a lot or because this was my second time in her closet. She gave me some free items, so let me show you what I got. And I'm not saying that all sellers are going to give you something free. So here with this girl, she threw in these 2 ColourPop blushes. They are used though, but I don't know if she cleaned them, but I cleaned them, and I actually used one on my cheek. They're like a good size. I've never tried ColourPop like cheek stuff. So I was like, okay, it's free. She also gave me this little skirt that's new with tags. It's from it's like from Kohl's. Has a price. It was 20 bucks. Size extra small. It has like a little zipper in the front. So I'm gonna put this, like I'm gonna resell this and just list it. I mean, she gave it to me free, so whatever I get for this is profit. And then she also sent me these new with tags from Gap in the size 0. They kind of have this cute little detail right here in the front. They're like gaucho pants, or the wide leg. They have a zipper on the side. So like the leg is wide. So I don't know if she had these in her closet and they just weren't selling, but I'll probably relist them also because there's no way they're gonna fit me. Okay, so that was for the second bundle, and then the third bundle got a lot of stuff. And so I saw this Ace Beauty palette. It's new, it hasn't been swatched. So I may put this in a giveaway or I may use it. So I really loved this sweater. For me, I'm like a sweater girl. I live in Texas and I organize my closet like sweaters, like sleeves, no sleeves. And you would think I would have a lot of sleeveless stuff, and I don't. Like that, I like literally was in my closet yesterday and I was like, you need to buy summer stuff. It's summer, like weather here in South Texas, like 80% of the year. And I have the most sweater stuff. I love sweaters. So this is from, it's the Gianni Beanie brand. It's a medium. And I usually don't wear mediums because I'm smaller here. So I'm probably like extra small up here. This little section is probably not extra small. Anyways, so I'm like, okay, maybe a little oversized sweater. Okay, so this is a sweater on me, and I actually think it fits good. It's like baggier, which I think would make it medium, but it's cute, like oversized, and I just left it with my white shorts, and they don't match. I wouldn't wear it with white shorts, but I really love this sweater. And like some people don't like this, like it bothers them, and it doesn't bother me. I mean, I'll fold it like that if I need to. I love this sweater. This is a win. Okay, so the next thing was this really, really cute crop top, like Adidas. It has a bunch of little Adidas logo on there. It's a size, it's a US size medium. So I don't know how croppy this is, because if it shows belly, I won't wear it. Like this one doesn't show belly even, I mean a little bit, but like I don't want you to show my belly because my, you know, just know. But it's really cute. Okay, so this is the Adidas little sweater, and it's really, really cute. So as cute as this is, I'm gonna resell this. Like this is too much. I'm too old to show that much skin. So the next item, this white skirt, it's like a denim distressed, and this is Forever 21. It's a size small. So the next thing that I got from the bundle was she had this really cute Nike like top that I can wear when I work out. This is size medium. So the next thing I got was this just really simple like boy shirt, muscle shirt material from Forever 21. It is a size small. Okay, so this is a maxi dress. It's kind of very form-fitting. I don't know if I would be comfortable because it kind of shows my like... Okay, so the next thing in my closet that I liked for me was this bodysuit. It's like a snakeskin print. The brand is Charlotte Russe, and it's a size extra small. So this is the bodysuit on, and I like it. So the next thing I got was another like bodysuit from Forever 21. It is a size medium. Okay, so this is a little tube top bodysuit on me. Very comfortable. You know, at first I was like, it might not fit me because it's a medium. Doesn't that like just shit on your self-esteem when you're like, oh, it's gonna be big, and then it fits you good? You're just like, shit, maybe I am like in denial. This is cute. Anyways, last thing is this really cute Victoria's Secret from Pink, that pink section. It's a size small. It's just like a lilac color. It has pink, pink, pink all over the place. Victoria's Secret's like a really good seller on Poshmark, so I mean, if it didn't fit, I was gonna sell there. But okay, so I just kind of threw this over the black tank top, and I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this baby too because it's really comfortable. Loved my Poshmark bundles. I got 3. I have some more coming in the mail. I hope that I love all my bundles. I've been watching some videos where people have been sourcing online, and then they get their items and they're like stains and just issues that they were having. And I'm not trying to say that to discourage you, especially if you're new. You just gotta ask questions. Like when I buy something and I'm not sure, like if they don't have that many pictures, I'll ask for more pictures, or I'll ask like, is there a stain? So let's say this item had a stain and I was like really upset, and I wanted to return it. You would have to like open a case. If Poshmark sides with you, you send all the stuff back. So if I liked, like for example, this was stained and all the other stuff I loved, I'm just gonna cut my losses and take this stained shirt because I really loved all my other stuff. I'm not sending that stuff back. So you can keep it, or you have to send everything back. You can't just send that one item. So there's some good stuff and bad stuff. Just you have to kind of just look. Just keep in mind, you bundle stuff, you offer a price, doesn't mean that they're gonna take your offer. Okay, I've had some people tell me no, which is okay. I'm not offended. Sometimes I may offend somebody else if I'm like lowballing, like I offer something really low. I do it a lot of the times because I am anticipating a counter offer. Sometimes people just accept my low offer. So for example, let me just tell you a little story. This one person that's like a bundle that's coming, I offered her a price and she just straight up declined it. So I was like, you could have counter offered, so I could have kind of like, what's the lowest, or what would you want for that bundle? But she just straight up declined it. Like, whatever, I'll just look somewhere else. And so a couple of days later, she sent me an offer with like $3 off the original listing, and this was like probably a $60 bundle, and so she only took $3 off, and so I just declined it. I didn't counter offer with anything back because I kind of just felt like I'm not gonna waste my time or your time if you're only gonna give me $3 off, right? So like a couple of days went by, and I don't know if she decided to like, if she needed money. I don't know her situation or what happened, but a couple of days later she sent me another offer with my original lowball offer, and so I was like, okay, I accepted. That was my Poshmark haul, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed showing off what I bought. If you are interested in Poshmark and have no idea about it, you can ask some questions. There's my code that you can get $10 off. Yeah, but it's a great way to help you make some money. I was not about like reselling and thrifting, like it's not whatever, but yeah, I got into it lately, like in February, and then we got quarantined and I couldn't do stuff, but it's fun. It's kind of, for me, therapeutic. And then you kind of just read the like listing it is a little like of a hassle, but once you start getting sales, you're like, okay, let me just start listing everything so you can get money. But it's fun. Anyways, thanks for watching my video, guys. If you are like a millennial, I don't even know if I'm a millennial, but I don't consider myself a millennial. I'm like the 80s baby. We're like our own, like from 80 to 80, like 6. We're like the cool kids, that cool age. And like if you were the 70s babies or in the 60s, like you guys have like cool names. I don't know, like the baby boomers. I mean, if y'all want to rename yourselves, that's cool too. You know, like the 70s, you were the hippies. Well, if you grew up in the 70s, so maybe the 60s. I don't know. Anyways, if you're an older group and you're on TikTok, because a lot of us have been quarantined and all we hear about is TikTok. I heard it from my middle school kids and I'm like, that's so dumb. But now I'm on it and have 3 little videos. So if you want to be my friend on TikTok, I'll link my little name below and I'll follow you. And I entertain myself that way. Last night I didn't go to sleep until really late because I was on my phone just swiping on TikTok. And I'm crying and I'm laughing hard. I love it. It's like cool. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stop, but anyways, I just can't stop talking. This is what happens when you're living alone, because Jessica's back home. I have nobody to talk to, so I'm talking to myself on a camera, and I've been talking for over an hour, and I can't shut up. Okay guys, that's enough of me rambling. I'm gonna let you go. Y'all have a great month of May. Yay, my birthday, and Jessica's birthday, and Audrey's birthday. Audrey's birthday is today, May 1st. But by the time you guys see this, it'll have already passed. But my birthday is May 10th. So thanks for hanging out. Y'all are the best. Bye.